guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Forever Weekend. Today naata diri sa Deca Lakewood located sa Tacunan, Mintal, Davao City. Super chill and super fun ang vibes diri. Perfect kaayo for a quick escape within the city. If you're looking for a spot nga murag naabot ka sa Siargao without leaving Davao, this is it. Pag-abot pa lang nimo, maka-feel na ka og tropical vibes. The breeze, the greenery, and the calm waters, murag naanggid ka sa island paradise. Laid back, chill, and perfect for muni-muni moments. The lake itself is wide and peaceful, and ang highlight dire is ang wakeboarding.
Lalong, uy! Oo, taga...
mo lang ngayon.
taga... liog siguro.
Makalingaw kaayo magtanaw nila. Every glide, jump, and splash brings energy and excitement. You'll find yourself cheering, smiling, and even holding your breath sa ilang daring tricks. It's like having front row seats to a thrilling water show, but at the same time, chill ka lang by the lakeside. Ug kung naabot gyud ka hangtod diri nga part, thank you so much for watching. Shout out time sa ta kay Brave Lucas, Jinky, and Ayan. Salamat sa support. Ug kung gusto nimo magpa-shoutout sa akong next vlog, just comment down below and don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa tanan nakong adventures. So of course, dili mawala ang food trip. Imagine, nag-chill ka sa lakeside, nagkaon og crispy fries, crunchy crawpek, and that sweet Hawaiian pizza while nag-inom og fresh shakes. The vibe is so laid back. Murag gyud kag naa sa Siargao, enjoying island feels while indulging in good food. The combo of food plus view, unforgettable experience.
Baby, I do.
Serious kayo ba? Seryoso kayo ba? Oh.
Kung barkada trip ni, perfect kaayo ang chill, tambay with laughter and stories. Ug kung family day, kids can enjoy the open space while parents relax. And kung solo escape, this is the place to recharge and reflect. And tips for visitors, ang best time to visit late afternoon para ma-enjoy ang golden hour by the lake. Bring extra clothes if you want to try the wakeboarding. Kay guaranteed babasa gyud ka. Don't forget your camera or phone kay every corner is Instagram worthy. Budget-friendly snacks are available, so no need to worry if mag-crave ka.
I know I should leave, 'cause you're driving me mad. You burn like a fire.
So, if you're looking for a place nga makahatag og adventure and relaxation at the same time, Deca Lakewood is the spot. Diri lang sa Tacunan, Mintal, you don't need to travel far to feel like you're in Siargao. Come here, bring your friends, bring your family, and enjoy the vibes. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Super chill, super fun, and definitely worth a visit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures and food trip moments with me. See you in the next adventure. Bye!
See ya.